Hello, I'm Stefan Heinen, Product Manager for Small Tools at Mitutoyo Europe. Mitutoyo is a global leader in micrometers, and today I would like to show you our high-class micrometer. Our first product, released in 1934, was an outside micrometer. So we have now 90 years of experience with the production of these devices. More than 15 years ago, we launched the QuantuMike. This is an outside micrometer that has a precision spindle with a 2 mm spindle pitch. Producing such a thread is not easy, but Mitutoyo has mastered this technology perfectly. Standard micrometers have a spindle pitch of 0.5 mm. So if you want to measure a multi-step cylindrical workpiece, for example, it's a very time-consuming and tiring process. With a QuantuMike and its fast 2 mm spindle, you can perform these measurements with ease. In our 90th anniversary year, we have reworked and improved this premium product once again. The 2 mm spindle pitch allows the user to measure workpieces with widely changing dimensions very quickly with just one single micrometer. The IP65 micrometer therefore achieves a fast measurement by using a thread that feeds the spindle by 2 mm per revolution of the thimble. Mitutoyo's unique technology for high-precision thread cutting enables such a fine and quick measurement. However, due to the fast spindle movement, there is a risk that the measuring surface will move uncontrolled onto the workpiece, which is why the new model now has the option of activating a speed warning function. This warns untrained user in the event of an uncontrolled impact of the measuring surface on the workpiece. In addition, the screw now has a tolerance function to show NGGO tolerance judgments on the display. The new Digimatic S1 bidirectional interface is also integrated, which allows the serial number, article number or calibration intervals, for example, to be transmitted via cable or wireless connection. For any questions, please contact your local Mitutoyo. Thank you, and don't forget to give us a like, comment or follow.